Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. Tereng tereng tereng. So, how we solve this question? Write a function called makeAlbum that supports a dictionary describe a music's album, and then the function shall take an artist name and an album title, and it should return a dictionary containing these two pieces of information. Use the function to make three dictionary representing different album. Print each return value to show that the dictionary are storing the album information correctly. Add an optional parameter to make album that allow you to store the number of tracks on an album. If the calling line incline a value for the number of tracks, add the value to the album's dictionary. Make at least one new functions called includes the numbers of tracks on album. So let's try. And then def and then make album as a function, and then don't forget to determine artist name and album title. So this, and then album, and then the second one is tracks. Tracks mean none because optional. I'm sorry, none. Like that's why we have this information, and the info this like dictionary that and then you know about dictionary. This is the dictionary about the artist. Is it good or not using apostrophe? First this, and then album. Let's try. And then two, because by default it's just only two, and then return info. Okay. Is it true? I mean like this. Oh, nay. Okay. I forgot. Okay, let's try. Okay, and then print make album. Wait. Make album, and then you just add maybe Taylor Swift, and then the name of album 1985, and then there are no track. What is this? What the output? Let's try. Okay, good. The output will be like that. But yes, there are no track. And then let's try again with maybe, what is Paramore? I don't know the album this Paramore, and maybe the others, I don't know about the artist, but Sheila on 7. This might on 7, and then my favorite is maybe album 1, and then the second one is album X, and then the first is tracks is maybe 4. I forget. Is it true? Okay, let's try. Is it number 7? Okay, because this is just like optional. Okay, good. And wait a minute. Album 1, album 4, and okay. This is not true because the output is it like this tracks. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, Okay. Wait a minute. It's still not good because uh, the noun is in the printing. So I think I don't wanna printing the noun. Just only Taylor Swift and 1985, and then Paramore like this, and then Selena like this. Wait. Oh, I forgot something. Is it good or is it not good? Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I think if with one by one, if tracks, and then you sings info info, but this is tracks maybe. Ne sama dengan tadi before I could. Okay lah. Then because this is the dictionary, not a list, so first name, last name. Okay, so you must add your dictionary. Artist name is like this. Okay. So album name, like album, and then there is no tracks. Yeah, right. Yeah, there are no tracks because by default it's just only two. Somehow I forget everything. Okay. Artist name Taylor Swift. Okay, good. Because the output will be like this. Dictionary is like there are K. The K is still his name, and then the album name. Okay, and then the tracks is not by default because it's optional. There are tracks, so the output will be like this. Okay, good. So I wanna explain this. The meaning of this track. If there are tracks, so the information in the track is not known, but the information is 4 or 7. But if there are no tracks, so there are no output will be printed like this, like artist name Taylor Swift and then album name is 1984. There are not like this because this is wrong. So I hope I clear and then you can understand what the output of these questions. So I will get status. The first one, okay. Python. Wait beneath, what is this? Returning a dictionary. So git add see where git returning dictionaries. Okay, and then git. Okay, done. Let's try another questions. Bye bye.